Shouldn't have done that.
Probably not, but oh yeah, I shouldn't have.
Dude, you just got across the light. You're already trying to pass that truck.
Jeez, you could signal. I was wondering what you were doing for a second. Oh, that's a secure license plate?
It's on the windshield wiper. That's pretty good.
I think I've seen that car around a lot. Is it that car?
Well, it's a dealership car. In that rainstorm, the bus decided just to cut in, and we were right here, and he...
That is a bus stop. What the fuck, guy?
Yeah, you can't stop there. That's a good find.
That is nice.
Alright, time to go in and see what they have to say to me.
Nice stop, old lady.
You shouldn't have done that.
Probably not, but oh yeah, I shouldn't have.
That person's pissed at you. You shouldn't have done that.
Probably not, but oh yeah, I shouldn't have.
That person's pissed at you. You almost caused an accident.
Oh, screw you.
And screw him.
Screw everybody. I don't know if I should go left or right. I'll just go right. Jesus, buddy. Well, I guess he has a big truck.
Yeah.
Why are you not in the center turn lane?
You can always come back in the evening too.
You ran a red light.
You're saying yes. Used to work with the bassist.
That's a stop sign, dumbass.
1023. This is the now take.
Oh, speaking of idiots, you don't even have your hazards on. What the fuck are you doing? Okay. You could have signaled. Nice stop, truck. You have a stop sign there. Well, that's a stop sign there.
That to me, I'm getting grandma back. I'm tagging you back.
We got one here. And this also sounds really delicious. Buttermilk. Accidentally poured it on my cereal when I was hungover. Took one bite of my cereal and almost barfed.
I'm pretty sure that you have a stop sign still. You're making a last-second decision. Oh God. Lots of last-second decisions here. Oh, illegal right turn behind me. Oh, nice stop.
McHale Show with Juliet and Raj. 56789. Join the conversation. Now radio.
Why are you driving in 2 lanes? Oh dear, that looks bad up there. Oh, you stupid bitch.
And get a couple of boxes.
Decorated with a banana logo.
But they're not going to declutter your life though. These boxes promise declutter. Okay, so she is the declutter queen.
Oh,
I wish
another
I
one
could
behind me.
off with my declutterism before she did. I want to know. Okay,
Wow,
Rose,
you
it
people are
says,
idiots.
What would you consult?
Well, now.
Is it red now? Semi-driver's not too impressed with Canada Post. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, I see.
Turn left.
You're pulling over, you just can't be bothered to signal.
Turn right on 75 Street Northwest. Avenue, South Stoner Road, 99th Street.
Okay, you're going way too fast.
In 300 meters, stay to the right.
What's this police car doing?
Continue straight for 15 minutes to 41 Avenue Southwest.
Wow, just completely getting in the way of that car there. And he pretty much ran the red light as well. What a dipshit. And he signaled at the last second too. That person back there is not too smart. Oh, idiot. Last second decision.
Turn right on Range Road 243.
What are you doing? What if I wanted to go that way? I mean, I think it's closed though, but what the fuck are you doing?
In 3.1 kilometers. Turn left on Township Road 5.
What are you guys even doing there?
It's alright, you'll be fine. Take it slow while you're getting closer. Everybody's trying to stop me.
Who's on now?
Oh wow, jaywalker behind me.
I like the hosts a lot. I like when they're.
Yeah. An ambulance is going through a McDonald's drive-thru.
That's funny.
I hope that your camera caught that.
Oh, I'll keep it as an interesting thing if it did.
Yeah, that'd be funny.